all of you. Now I am going to present a topic about Joule process. So Joule process is used for softening of water. So zeolites are nothing but hydrated sodium aluminum silicate compound. The formula is Na2O, Al2O3, XSiO2, YH2O, YH2O, where X is equal to 2 to 10, Y is equal to 2 to 6. 2 to 6. The zeolites are of two types. Natural zeolites synthetic zeolites. Zeolites. Natural zeolites are green sand and non-porous in nature. Non-porous nature. Whereas synthetic zeolites are porous in nature. Porous in nature. So the synthetic zeolites are commercially available. The synthetic zeolites are called sodium zeolites. Sodium zeolites. Sodium zeolites, which is represented as formula Na2Ze. Na2Ze. So Na2Ze is the sodium zeolite. This is the synthetic zeolite. This is used for softening of hot water. Softening of hot water. In synthetic zeolite, sodium ions remaining aluminate silicate is removed, which is separated. So only sodium ions in zeolites are exchanged with calcium magnesium ions in hot water. Calcium magnesium ions of hot water. This is because the sodium ions in this complex is soluble in water, which is easily replaced by the positive ions containing hot water like calcium magnesium ions. So the calcium magnesium ions only cause hardness. So this is exchanged with sodium ions, thereby hardness can be removed. This is represented by the process. Represented by the process as shown in the diagram. Process, zeolite process. This is hot water passing, hot water in. This filled with sodium chloride solution, 10% NaCl solution. This is known as zeolite bed. Zeolite bed. Zeolite bed. And this is soft water, softened water. Soft water. So the zeolite softener, the tank is zeolite softener. Zeolite softener. So this means the zeolite, sodium zeolite used to exchange or remove calcium magnesium. Thereby the hardness is removed. This process is known as softening. So in this zeolite softener tank, the first tank is sodium chloride solution is filled and the side tube hard water is passed. First, the hard water is passed through this tank, which is passing through this zeolite bed. The zeolite bed consists of sodium ions with silicates, sodium ions with zeolite material. Then the calcium ions and magnesium ions in hot water is absorbed here, thereby only sodium ions containing salts coming down. So the sodium ions is not hardness in nature, that is it is softened. So the water is collected at the bottom of the tank, which is soft water. It is soft water. The various reactions involved in softening of water. Reactions involve water. Sodium zeolite formula Na2Ze plus calcium bicarbonate. So the carbonate water containing carbonate reacts with sodium zeolite. This is react with sodium to form CaZe plus 2NaHCO3. 2NaHCO3. Same sodium zeolite reacts with magnesium bicarbonate, gives MgZe plus 2NaHCO3. Chloride, Na2Ze plus calcium chloride gives CaZe plus 2NaCl. So the sodium zeolite containing sodium ion reacts with calcium, magnesium, chloride, sulfate, carbonate, bicarbonates to form calcium magnesium zeolites, remaining sodium salts are deposited. Thereby the hardness is removed. Regeneration process. This process is used for regenerating the bed only, the zeolite bed. The zeolite bed is a natural material which is regenerated by adding 10% sodium chloride solution. Thereby the sodium ions is regenerated in this bed. So the reaction is calcium zeolite plus sodium chloride gives sodium zeolite plus calcium chloride. Calcium chloride. The same MgZe plus 2NaCl gives Na2Ze plus MgCl2. So this is known as regeneration. So the regeneration is to regenerate the sodium ion in bed. Advantages of the process. The geolite process is easy method to softening water. This geolite tank is very low cost. No skilled labor required to operate the machine, and the method is very useful for drinking water. Next, disadvantages of this method. The acidic water cannot be treated by this method because the acids destroys the bed. So acidic water cannot be treated by this method. And turbid water cannot be treated because this geolite bed contains micropores which blocks the salts. Turbid blocks the blocks. So the turbid water cannot be treated. And third point, Fe and manganese salts cannot be treated by this method because the regeneration of geolite bed is difficult. The hardness is a minimum 2 to 10 ppm is achieved. Next class we will discuss about the iron exchange process. Thank you very much.